Honda Super Cub C125 is a machine that blends nostalgia with modern engineering, capturing the essence of classic motorcycling while delivering a refined, fuel-efficient ride. It's a motorcycle that isn't about outright speed or aggressive styling, it's about practicality, simplicity, and undeniable charm. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on scenic backroads, the Super Cub C125 is built for effortless riding, with a smooth, quiet engine and a comfortable, upright seating position that makes every ride enjoyable. But don't let its retro looks fool you. This 2025 model comes with some smart upgrades that make it more reliable, convenient, and fun to ride than ever. Welcome to Drive Smart. If you're new here, we bring you in-depth reviews and explanations of some of the most interesting vehicles on the market. Whether it's 2 wheels or 4, we break down the design, performance, and real-world usability so you can make informed decisions. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now let's dive into the details of the 2025 Honda Super Cub C125. At the heart of this stylish commuter is a 124cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and efficient ride. Honda has fine-tuned this engine for better fuel economy while still providing enough power to comfortably handle city traffic and suburban roads. It's paired with a semi-automatic 4-speed transmission, meaning you can shift gears without worrying about a clutch. Perfect for new riders and those who just want a relaxed, hassle-free experience. One of the standout features of the Super Cub is its lightweight chassis and low seat height, making it incredibly approachable for riders of all skill levels. Weighing in at just around 240 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through traffic or parking in a tight spot. The suspension setup, with telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, provides a surprisingly smooth ride for a bike of this size. From a design perspective, the Super Cub retains its iconic step-through frame and vintage-inspired bodywork, giving it a timeless appeal. The 2025 model continues with Honda's signature round LED headlight, classic front fender, and subtle chrome accents, maintaining the retro aesthetic while incorporating modern technology. Speaking of modern touches, you also get keyless ignition with Honda's smart key system, making it more convenient than ever to start up and ride. Honda has also equipped the Super Cub with a front disc brake and ABS, providing extra safety and control when braking in various road conditions. Combined with its ultra-efficient fuel economy, often reaching well over 100 miles per gallon, this is a bike that's both practical and economical for daily commuting. So, who is the 2025 Honda Super Cub C125 for? It's for those who appreciate simplicity, reliability, and a touch of retro charm in their daily ride. Whether you're a beginner looking for a friendly entry into motorcycling or an experienced rider wanting a fun, stress-free city commuter, the Super Cub delivers a unique blend of style, efficiency, and legendary Honda durability.